If you want to mirror the screen from your iPhone 17e onto another device such as TV, for example, display or something similar, what you can do is you can go to the control center, and then in here we need to find the screen mirroring button, which looks like this. It is a rectangle with another rectangle behind it. It should be already added by default, so you shouldn't have any issues with finding it. And if you tap over here, then you should be able to open this menu where you can let the iPhone try to detect your other device that it should connect to. Of course, make sure that your TV, for example, or that other device is compatible with iOS devices, and make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on both your iPhone and that other device, and you should be able to find your TV on this list. And then of course select it in order to connect and start casting the screen. Leave a like and subscribe.